Hello all, welcome to session 36 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I'm going to practically show you how to customize Selectors Hub so that you can use it only for manual creation of locators. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Chrome browser where Selectors Hub is already installed. Now let's browse the sample application, say omai.blogspot.com. Right click on any UI element on this page and select the inspect option. We'll get the dev tools here. Now let's go to the Selectors Hub functionality like this. As you can see now, Selectors Hub by default is auto-generating the different possible locators for the inspected UI element. But some people don't want to use Selectors Hub for auto-generating the locators. They don't want to see this auto-generated locators. They only want to use the Selectors Hub for manual creation of the locators. For such kind of people, Selectors Hub is providing an option for customizing it by turning off this option, guys. Okay, you need to turn off the auto-generated selectors. Just turn it off. You see, no more auto-generation of the locators. You can only use the Selectors Hub for manual creation of the locators now. Okay, right-click on any UI element, say search button, select inspect. This is HTML code. By looking at this HTML code, you can use the Selectors Hub for manual creation of the locators for the search button. Let's say it has input field and it has some class attribute and value. Let's use them. /input class is equal to GSE search button. Like this, you can manually create the locators in the Selectors Hub by turning off this auto generation of the locators. Okay. So hope guys, you understood how to customize the Selectors Hub so that you can use it only for the manual creation of the locators. So that's it guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.